Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you a simple and easy method to install OpenCV image processing library in Raspberry Pi. Power on Raspberry Pi and it will open desktop like this. Click on Applications menu and select Programming, then click on Thonny Python IDE. In latest Raspberry Pi operating systems, Thonny application is pre-installed. So this is Thonny IDE. Now click on Shell and check whether OpenCV is installed or not. We can see that OpenCV is not installed. Now we are going to install it. Click on Tools and select Manage Packages. A new window will open like this. Now click on Search bar and type OpenCV. It will show some results. Now scroll down and select OpenCV Python. Click on Install. Now it will download all the necessary files and install it automatically. Guys, we can see that OpenCV Python has been installed. Let's check whether it is installed properly or not. Close this window and enter into Shell. Now type import CV2 and press enter. So guys, you can see that OpenCV module has been imported successfully. In this way, we can easily install OpenCV module in Raspberry Pi.